Thanks to the hamburger, a milkshake mixer salesman, Ray Kroc, would become a roadside legend. In 1954, he bought out Dick and Mac McDonald's hamburger stands, and by 1962, this burgeoning roadside chain sold hamburger number 700 million. Today, Downey, California is home to the oldest original Golden Arches, part of a worldwide business with annual sales of more than $25 billion.
So next time it rains, don't sizzle in a drizzle. Get yourself a drizzle guard and enjoy the show.
Men, there's a drive-in movie full of juicy people. It's a trap. We've had it, men.
At one South Carolina drive-in, moviegoers would turn in their dirty laundry as they entered the ticket booth, then receive washed, ironed, and folded items upon departure. At the Hempstead Turnpike Drive-In on Long Island, patrons turned in a grocery list upon arrival, then received their bag of goods after the show.
Dog.
Hot dog? Yes, sir.
All aboard the snack bar special for peanuts, hot dogs, ice cream, candy.
Hungry? It's time to stretch and fetch.
Yum, yum. Tasty and refreshing snack. Delicious.